Are you a Catholic Christian? If you answered yes to both, then keep watching. By the way, my name is Valerie. I'm a B+ member and I will be your parish ranger for today. Let's go! Allow me to say, welcome to Parish Rangers. So first on our list is the province of BOLJOON, which was established in 1599 by the Augustinian friars. So this will be a video series where we will get to explore the various parishes and churches in the province of Cebu, be it in the city or in the far-flung areas of Cebu. And through this effort, we wish to rekindle the fire in the hearts of our brothers and sisters in Christ through showcasing to them the beauty and treasures in these holy structures. Check that out. It is also one of the few churches in which it is considered as a fortress church. So back in the day when the Moros and other pirates tried to invade the area of BOLJOON, the people came here to protect themselves from such invaders. So, because of its structure, if you look at it, the enclosure try to explore the grounds of the church. Luckily, though, we're the only ones inside, but as you can see, most of the church is closed and off limits. So we'll make with what we have. We'll make do with what we have, rather. Hello? Open up!